Scorpios, let's get into it. I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. What's good, y'all? So look, what we're going to be doing right now is a reading, of course, for the Scorpio energy. Cross watchers, you're all welcome. And I'm just going to jump right into it. I got my messy deck out here, so trigger alert. We're going to get in your business. We're gonna unearth some secrets. What we doing? Puzzled. See, we already gotta get to the bottom of that. What is puzzling? Someone feels conflicted about something. Take that out your ear. Out your earshot. Two-faced. I could see why someone would be conflicted about that. Antisocial. Jeez, why so heavy, Scorpio? That's a silly question, though. I'm talking about a Scorpio reading right now. Toxic. If messy was a... Listen, this is messy. Smell the roses. This is kind of puzzling. Just keep it a bean. We're going to have to get to some tarot and oracle cards and all of that because this is... I need more clarity. I'm just keeping it a bean. Spirit, what message do we need to be seeing from the oracle deck, please? I can tell you this already. The Scorpio energy, Scorpio, this is probably you. It's best to go towards the direction of all of this toxic, antisocial, two-faced people and all of that. I'm not even calling it a fear. Face it. Because if you don't, you're going to end up being confused and conflicted, baffled, and that's just not your style. It doesn't fit you at all. You are not going to wear that. What do we have here? Summer. We just had fall for Libra. Now we got summer out here for Scorpio. I'm going to read the definition for that because that's how much I'm a bit perplexed. You know? How about that? Pretty much. To experience summer is to be embodied. The summer air kisses every crevice of our body. Ayo, opening us up, ayo, in ways long forgotten. Lust, desire, laughter, sweat, physicality, these are all expressions of summer's fullness shining through. When this card appears, know that the senses are heightened and the work is nearing full expression. It may feel as though things are electrified or about to burst. This is freaky. All right, Scorpio. Keep in mind that, like all the alchemical seasons, summer will soon pass. For now, everything in your narrative is fleshed out, and the story has just another chapter or two until it begins again. So revel in this time of ripening and rhythm. Celebrate, gather, connect. Whether the season is literal or metaphorical, let yourself be swept into the pulse of these hot and heavy nights. So it is wintertime here in New York City at the time that I'm doing this reading. However, this can be metaphorical. It could be hot in the winter. Trust me, I know. So yeah, I'm tapped in right now. Absolutely. So, like I said, should you walk, it's recommended that you walk into this. You know what I'm feeling? I'm feeling that this two-faced person is not necessarily an enemy. I feel like this two-faced person is maybe someone that you're dealing with, maybe someone that you're dating. They may even be your little project. What I mean by that, you know how Sometimes we enter people's lives thinking that we can fix them. Sometimes we're actually people's angels and we are there to fix them. This can be one of those situations. Or you can just be romantically involved with someone. You're romantically involved with someone who's romantically involved with someone. Get my drift? That's what's happening here. That's what makes them a cheater, a backstabber, and what makes them basically an eligible candidate for living a double life, for being two-faced. And yes, I'm saying to walk towards that direction. If not, you face being confused, perplexed, and conflicted. If that's the type of torment that you want to live, then fine, so be it. But I'm feeling like that's not the way that this is supposed to go. And not for nothing, I see the spouse of this other person. They are present in this reading so far. They feel left out of the equation of being in a partnership with that person that is in a partnership with the both of you. They're in their feelings about it, but guess what? They're not expressive about it at all. The partner would not ever know because that person is antisocial. They think stoicism will win the day all the time, and it just doesn't. Listen, it's great to be stoic. It's a great quality. But when you really hear the stories of old, of the men who held large posture and structure of stoicism, they were single. Or they just didn't play that shit. You know what I'm saying? They might have got some buns once in a blue moon, but even then it was probably real serious. You understand what I'm saying? Stoicism is a great quality to have when you're in a relationship. However, you have to put your guard down eventually, sometime, someplace, or the partner is gonna start looking other places. They're gonna start having wandering eyes. That's the way the chemistry goes. That's the way the biology goes, B. And that person, they're starting to think about it now. They're looking at, the partner's looking at them. The antisocial one who feels left out, but they don't know how to fucking talk. So how the fuck are we supposed to know, right? And then this mate, I'm not calling them the worst. They just labeled the worst. It just is what it is, right? They're looking back at you like, yeah, I know I did some things with you. And now I'm going back this way. I got to deal with this person, dude or chick, however it's supposed to fit. Bars. You make it fit how it's supposed to fit. But in all actuality, the reason why they was gravitating towards you is because this motherfucker doesn't express their feelings, but when they get left out, they start being in their own feelings. Make that shit make sense. So the result of that is it's toxic. It's like being an avoidant. It's like being an avoidant and expecting for the person to understand your every need and want. Let's say you fulfill it, yet they don't reciprocate and give you any fucking thing. So it's toxic. It's like, it's a silent toxicity that's here. And someone has smelled the roses. I don't know if it's the cheater, but I feel like it's the cheater. Because as much as this antisocial person is, it's like silence can be loud is what I'm getting in this reading. And it's like this cheater has figured it out, or they feel like they're definitely picking up on a scent of something else is going on here. And I don't give a fuck what they say. It's what they don't say. And now they're smelling the roses. They're going out, they're taking trips, they're taking nights out on the town, they're going out just walking and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? They refuse to feel toxic by being stuck with this antisocial behavior. and thinking that it's okay, like it's all right to be that way. Like that's not a way to live, is how that person is seeing it. It's a hot winter. Okay, I hear you. 8 of Wands, a message is coming through, and it's coming through quick. Exciting times. So I'm saying is you can't really stop the rush. 4 of Pentacles in reverse. What else we got out here, Spirit? Yeah, the person has smelled the roses. They're letting go of that old shit. The old people. They're tired of giving their energy to people who are undeserving of it. They don't. And I'm not talking about finances when I'm talking about this 4 of Pentacles in reverse. I'm not. I'm just talking about sharing energy in general. It's not a two-way street. And they're tired. 8 of Swords, yup. 8 of Swords. Followed by the 3 of Cups. This could be just a third-party reflection. And I'm not saying y'all are supposed to get together and have some type of conference or something like that. But I do feel like the threesome is necessary. Not a threesome like that, like sexual escapade taking place together. I'm saying what I'm saying. Like these revelations would not occur if this situationship didn't occur. You know, people wouldn't come to terms with what's really going on and have to face the truth and face the reality of it. Even if this person is going to remain antisocial and in their feelings, they're going to be. You see how deep in thought they are, right? They got to figure it out too. Because what the fuck are you doing? Say something. Say something in relation to what's happening. I feel like the antisocial spouse is acting oblivious to what's really happening. In the teamwork, I know y'all might think that it sounds twisted or distorted, that I'm talking about this 3 of Cups is a reflection of a 3-party system, which is the 3 of y'all. It is cooperation. It is teamwork. Because y'all need it. Y'all need to come to terms with things. Is there going to be breakups? Is the one going to be without the other? Is everybody going to be single? What's going to happen? Something's got to give. Or at least every party involved just comes to terms with what it really is. So if that person has to be labeled two-faced and a cheater, oh well. If this person is going to be antisocial and not want to talk about it and remain in their feelings and feel left out of everything, oh well. If you're just puzzled by the whole situation and you just want to be like, you know what, I'm going in there to investigate this dark, secretive stuff, then oh well. That's what's happening. What else, Spirit? What else? Ooh. This is messy. What is going on out here? The Hanged Man. But the Hanged Man did fly out and land in reverse, so I'm taking it that way. What else, Spirit? Give me more. There's just a large disinterest in. I feel like you're the new flame, Scorpio, or you're the newer partner, and it's just so much disinterest in the old. Maybe it fizzled out or something. What do we have here? The Sun in reverse. Yeah, lack of enthusiasm. It's just like, it's not real. The situation is not real, and no one wants to put everything out and on a table. Some people, like I said, antisocial, don't want to speak about it, don't want to really say how they feel, don't want to come to terms with what the reality of it is, even maybe trying to mask it. Or I also see miscarriage here in some type of way, or someone had an abortion. My condolences. That may play a part in this. But it's just so much. I feel like it's just so much that just drags it that it just detached. Knight of Swords. Message. Big changes are coming through. I think this is the actual thing that's going to be the real catalyst for change, but also for realization to the fullest. Like, okay, this person is gonna have to come to terms with, okay, you're having a lot of fun with me. Without me. That's what they're looking at and feeling right now, because they feel left out. But then now they're coming to terms with why. They're coming to terms with why. You can't hold back everything from a person and expect to have a type of reciprocal, harmonious relationship with them to where they want to share everything with you. I think that time has came and left. And now this big opportunity, this might be related to business, deal with something on the internet. This is something that whoever embarks on this message is the people that actually care about doing something in their life that they want to do. They're not avoiding things that they let fall by the wayside or dreams that they let be dissolved because they were entertaining other things, especially relationships. They're not doing that anymore. Y'all are not doing that anymore. Y'all are not doing that. Y'all are not doing that. So this is heavy. I'm drawing one more card. What's the advice, Spirit? It's heavy, about 16, 17 minutes in. The advice is Page of Swords. Patience is needed here. Despite the big message of opportunity that came, the big news, I feel like you're going to seize that opportunity, Scorpio. But the news, hold on, let me make sure I get this correct. Okay, when this message comes through, it might come so swift that you have to pump the brakes on it, or vice versa. You switch the roles if you have to. Someone's going to have to pump the brakes on the actual actions for the opportunity, delay it a bit so that the ideas can develop to derive more inspiration. There's going to need more of that so that it's going to be more of that, need more of that so that we can remove emotions and feelings out of the equation. This is how I feel like that's how big of an opportunity it is. This can't be one of those situations where the onlooker is looking like, oh, I could have been a part of that, or why am I not a part of that, and why are you doing so many things without me, or you're having fun over there and I see this is something that you want to do. That person is not going to give a fuck anymore. Not like they don't give a fuck about the person. It's just like, yo, you're oblivious to what's really going on. So now I got to show you so you can see what's going on with me. This is what I want to do. Therefore, that's why I'm doing it. That's why I'm inspired. That's why I'm motivated. You're not helping me do that. You're not inspiring me. You're not motivating me in any kind of way. That's why I'm here doing it this kind of way. And that's it, B. That is it. Deliverer of karma or something like that. We all here to do what we're all here to do. Till next time, I'm out.